E1 by E2 using potentiometer. We are focusing today on this part, that is sum and difference method. The formula which we can use this or modify formula, that is E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. The apparatus for this is, this cell is our E2, this is our E1. In this is your E1, that is Lagrange's cell. Carbon rod act as a positive and zinc rod act as a negative. Cell E1, this is cell E2. In this copper vessel act as a positive, zinc rod act as a negative. This is four-way key, the galvanometer, and then we have jockey. If you see here it is, we have four-way key, number mentioned 1, 4, 3, 2. We also wrote in the same manner. This side, a source of battery, plug key and rheostat. Here we have source of battery, positive act as, red act as a positive, black act as a negative. This is our rheostat, fine, and this we have a potentiometer. In potentiometer, this terminal act as a, this act as a B, and total length of potentiometer we have 400 centimeter, right? Now we already arranged the apparatus as shown in the diagram. Just we have to now connect. Whenever you are connecting any electric circuit diagram, always place the apparatus as shown in diagram. If you see our diagram, this is our diagram, circuit diagram. Here we have E1, this is E2 four-way key. So E1, E2 four-way key, galvanometer and then jockey, galvanometer and then jockey. Here it is source of battery, plug key and rheostat. Source of battery, plug key is not required because this act as a on and off, and this is our rheostat. Now we did the connection. Now see the connection. At terminal A, if you see carefully, there are two wires. One is from positive of E1, one is from positive of source. So at terminal A, we connected two wires. One is from positive of source and one is from positive of E1. So at terminal A, two wires, positive of source and positive of E1. Then negative of E1 is connected to one of four-way key. Negative, that is zinc rod, will place inside, is connected to four-way key number 1. Then from number 3, it is connected to galvanometer and then jockey. Number 3, galvanometer and then to jockey. At number 4 and 2, at 4 positive of E2 and negative E1, E2 is connected to number 2. So this is positive, positive is connected to, if you see, positive is connected to 4 and negative is connected to 2. This side we have negative source is connected to rheostat, variable terminal is connected to terminal B. Negative is connected to fixed terminal of rheostat and variable terminal, this variable is connected to B. So if you see the circuit connection from the top, you will see something like this. Now reading part, how to take readings. I already wrote here reading. We will focus on concept. Your formula E1 upon E2 is equals to L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. To take a reading, we have to go for sum and difference. Sum means when it is assist, that is E1 plus E2. Oppose, it means difference, E1 minus E2. Let us see the condition for sum. For sum, if you see the condition, negative of E1 is connected to positive of E2. We have to connect 4V in such a manner, negative of E1 is connected to positive of E2. This is my E1. So negative of E1 is this and positive of E2. This is E2, this is positive of E2. So we have to keep the plug key in between these two so that these two gets connected. Now in order to flow the current यहाँ पे आएगा, will reach here. From here now, it reaches up to this. In order to flow current in galvanometer, these two has to be connected. So we will place another key here. This is condition for sum. For difference, if you see, for difference negative E1 is connected to negative of E2. So difference के लिए We will remove this. I am just showing you for sum condition and difference condition. For difference, negative E1, this is negative E1 is connected to negative E2. This is negative E2. If you see this zinc rod, negative E2. So we'll keep plug K here. So negative E1 is connected to negative E2. Now current will flow like this. Current यहाँ पे आएगा. In order to flow current in galvanometer, we have to connect this K also. Okay. So in simple language, for sum we'll place 2 keys here and difference we'll place the 2 keys here. Now how to take readings? For readings, we selected first sum. Keep the jockey on first wire, that is here. Now total length of this potentiometer is 400 centimeter. Now how it is 400 centimeter? Terminal A is here, terminal B is here. From here it starts 0. So first wire will have 0 to 100 up to this 100. From here this one means 101. 101 to 200. On third wire it is 201 to 300, and from here 301 to 400. I repeat, first wire 0 to 100, second wire 101 to 200, from here 201 to 300 and 301 to 400. So reading part, you will keep the jockey on first wire, that is start में कहीं पे रख लेना है. Then you will see deflection galvanometer on one side. You will see deflection galvanometer on one side. You see deflection galvanometer one side. Then place jockey on fourth wire around 400. We will see deflection on opposite side. Right? That means your connection is fine. Then we check for assist, that is sum. Check for oppose also. So we will remove this case from here and we will connect for oppose, that is difference. Again check the deflection for both the sides. I kept here, see deflection on one side. Now I am keeping on fourth wire, we will see deflection on opposite side. That means for sum as well as difference, you will check deflection on both the sides. Then only you will proceed for reading. If suppose you are getting deflection only on one side, then you will adjust the position of rheostat. इसको एडजस्ट करेंगे so that we will get deflection on both the side for assist as well as oppose. So we are connecting now for sum. We connected for sum. Now take the balancing length. Now what is balancing length? We will keep jockey on wire where we will get galvanometer deflection 0, that means null deflection. Keep jockey on first wire at the start, see the deflection on one side. Move jockey on first wire middle, still on same side. Take jockey on, say first wire only, this side still we are getting on one side, here also we are getting one side. After this we will come to second wire, यहाँ पे, still deflection on one side, then jockey somewhere here, still deflection on one side, अभी भी left में आ रहा है, still on left side. Now we will go on third wire start this side, third wire somewhere here. Now see, now if you see carefully you can make out, you see now somewhere here our pointer is now 0. Agree? तो ये जो भी लेंथ रहेगा, whatever length we are getting here, this length you will note down. Now what is this length? Suppose 14 है यहाँ पे, तो कितना 14 हो गया? First length 0 to 100, here it is 200, this is 214, right? I already wrote here 214. Then we will go for difference. For difference what we will do? We will keep this key here. Now we connected key in difference. Again same way, difference के लिए length तुम्हारा कम आता है. Now first wire start, I'll take this side, galvanometer show deflection on one side, somewhere here, still no null point. Yeah, see now we are getting null point somewhere here. can make out. What a reading we are getting this, ये जो भी reading आ रहा है, you will write this reading in difference part, right? So first is sum, second is difference. Now for second set of reading, what we will do? For second set of reading, what we will do? We will change the position of rheostat. इसका strength change कर देंगे. We will move here, right? Again in same manner, you will see ये difference में फिलहाल रखा हुआ है. See the deflection on both the side galvanometer. Now we will keep at 400. See deflection on other side. Similarly, we will check for sum also. Okay, deflection on both the side. Fine. So when you are getting deflection on both the side for sum as well as difference, then we will proceed for observation part. In the same manner, we will continue with the readings. Same way, we will keep jockey on first wire at the start. See the deflection 0 aa raha hai, 9. Then first wire somewhere middle, still on left side. First wire end, still on one side. Then we will go on second wire start, still on one side. Second wire middle, same side. Second wire end, same side. Now we will move on third wire. Third wire start, nothing, nahi, somewhere here. Now if you see, right, whatever length you will get here, this length, balancing length, you will write in sum. यहाँ पे लिखोगे, this is second reading. For difference, what we will do again? Difference के लिए we will change the position of this, okay, and we will slide jockey over a wire so that we will get the balancing length. For difference, you will get balancing normally on first wire only. We will see for difference also. A first wire start, okay, first wire somewhere here. Now somewhere here we are getting, you can make out, students, right? What your reading you will get, this reading you will write in a difference part. Then for third reading, again we will change the position of rheostat and we will take a third reading for sum and difference. Once you complete this reading, then this is calculation E1 by E2 is equals to L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. Simply what your readings you will get, this plus this minus this. Do the calculation, answer for first, answer for second, answer for third. Find the mean of this, and that mean we will write in a result E1 by E2 using sum and difference method. If you see the complete view of connection once again from the top. Thank you, students.